Signature design by Ashley Bolanburg chairside end table two-tone. Farmhouse chairside end table. Quaint, but never boring, this table's distressed finish puts the inches in farmhouse. The compact, chic design makes it handy for storage in any living room. Handsomely crafted. Made of veneers, wood and engineered wood. Designed with a pull-out tray, single cabinet storage and a lift top back revealing 2 outlets and USB charging stations. Pull-out tray. Use the pull-out tray to set down your devices while they charge, or to keep food at the ready during movie night. Small space solution. Measuring 14 inches wide by 24.25 inches deep by 23 inches height, this compact table pairs well with a sofa, console or accent table in large or small-sized living room spaces. Assembly required. Easy to follow instructions. Tools and hardware included. Power cord included. All listed. Direct from the manufacturer. Ashley Furniture goes the extra mile to package, protect and deliver your purchase in a timely manner. Buy with confidence. Designed and manufactured by Ashley Furniture Industries, the trusted source for stylish furniture, lighting, rugs, accessories and mattresses. For every taste and budget, click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.